Everything's set.
Everything is
Wait, it's
set.
recording?
Huh?
It's recording?
Are you gonna let me sit down this time?
Hey guys!
Can I say, wait, see? You always don't let me sit down. Can I get situated for a second?
Wait, it's recording?
Oh my gosh, yes, it's recording.
Hey guys, I'm Zulay. Please come on.
What's
today we'll be making the best, the delicious.
Sugar cookies. Oh, there's more?
The best, delicious, no, wait, it's sugar cookies.
Sugar cookie crazy.
And we are so excited to make these. Before we start the video,
Huh? Okay, I'm sorry.
Before we start this video, make sure to hit the like, subscription box, notifications to be a part of our creations group. And this is Mingo's Creations. Now on to the video. You'll need sprinkles, frosting, food dye, which are optional, vanilla extract, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, butter, flour, and an egg. And for our decorations, we will be using sprinkles, frosting, and food dye.
Yeah, give a little bit of color, baby.
Okay, now let's start. Oh my god! 2 cups and 3/4 of flour. Have instructions because we will not remember, see?
Always be prepared.
Yeah, just in case. Yeah.
8 ounces in the cup.
Now flatten it out. Yep, it's up to 8 ounces. Now let me pour it. Yep, that's good. 3/4.
3/4 cup.
It goes up to 6 ounces. Jolly in the mood. He sees you when you're awake. He sees you when you're asleep. That's it. Okay, that's a lot of flour.
Alright, let's get it in the bowl.
Let's get some vanilla extract to make this a little bit soft. But we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay, which one is teaspoon?
Let me try. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon. Here we go. Got the 1 teaspoon. Now open the thing. The vanilla extract. That's the egghead. Okay. This is the teaspoon. Very careful.
Why are we doing this over the thing? Let me do it.
Oh.
I was sure to spill it.
I think we need another one.
No way. Don't put more than what you need.
Okay. Next we need
Never put more than what you need.
a teaspoon of baking powder. Soda, I meant.
Oh, okay. Well, let
Is
me
the
know.
baking soda?
We want to scoop it out.
Yeah. Awesome. What? Let's add our powder first then.
Good.
Because we have so much powder. Half a teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah, this thing isn't even open yet.
Because you did. You opened it from over here, Daddy. Over here.
There's 4 different sides to do it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, gosh.
You do it.
Oh, gosh.
Scoop that up.
What you going on for? Fingers all in the bowl. Real house cooking going on over here. Get it in there.
Next is 1.5 cups of sugar. 1.5 cups.
Hold on. Wait. Let me see if it's enough.
Yeah, that's 8 ounces, Daddy.
Alright.
Sprinkle out that sugar. Sprinkle it in. Okay, maybe we needed 2 bowls. I told you we needed 2.
Thanks.
Now half, just 4 ounces.
We are getting a big mess
It's
going
the
on
mountain of sugar. Now, what else do we need? Just all the powder? Next we need 1 egg. I think we need another teaspoon of vanilla extract.
No way.
Yes, we do.
No way. I'm about to take this thing off the table. She's gonna get crazy out here. This thing's gotta go.
Okay, let's get an egg. Okay, my dad took the vanilla extract away from me now. Now, we are gonna change bowls because this is a little bit too big.
Overflow.
So we have a bigger bowl.
Bowl change.
This one, it's easy to pour. Now pour it in.
Bowl change.
Oh, get that brown stuff.
That's the vanilla, right?
Yep. Oh, some of the flour stick to down here.
That's alright, we don't need that. We got this butter softened up.
Now let's put it in there. What happened to our spoon?
Big spoon.
Big spoon.
Softened butter.
What's that?
Softened butter.
Softened. It's called butter.
Sophisticated butter. Butter.
It sounds like butter.
It's not butter, it's butter.
Boots.
Sophisticated cookies here from France.
France.
We are using butter.
Whoa, that got softened a lot.
Softened butter.
See the dough coming together because of the butter. Put the egg in. I want to see what happens. We are creating dough.
Do 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 do. Butter.
Stop calling it butter.
Yeah,
It's called butter.
We're gonna need more butter for the pan.
Get more butter then.
Alright, alright, alright. Let's see if we can scrape some of this in there. Yeah, you done?
Huh?
You done?
No. It's like a little bit stiff, so I want you to do it. Guys, did you know half of a half is 1/4?
Good.
That's the dough, and then now we shape it into the cookie cutter form. Well, first we have to put some flour so it won't stick to the table.
Something like that.
Yeah, that's what you have to do. I want to mix it now. It got softened.
No, it did not. You're bugging. Cold bugging. Alright.
Okay, this is nice dough.
Yeah.
It's dough.
Definitely.
But now we have to.
See, you got it flying all over the place. Alright. Easy.
Now we have to put it in the foil stripper so we can put it in the refrigerator.
Plastic wrap.
Plastic wrap. I'm not used to saying plastic wrap, but I'm ready to get my hands dirty.
We'll put it in the plastic wrap and let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour or two. 2 hours would be preferred time.
2 hours sounds a long time.
Can you get your fingers in there? I can't even get a finger on it.
Okay.
This here is a family affair. The family is here. Everybody put your hands in the air. You gotta keep it in the thing. Only way you can cut it is with the ridges.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, my bad.
Let me just.
Alright.
Now you're making this thing go.
Alright, let me see. Alright. I don't think that's how you
Cut
want
it.
Alright, cool, that's a good idea.
I found some dough.
Ooh. There you go. Excuse me.
It's sticky.
Pull the paper.
Put that in there.
Ooh, roll it out. So nice.
Oh wow, look at this guy. It's so nice.
Oh, alright. And this sticky hands. Just can't wait to get dirty. Kid, can't wait to jump right in, huh?
It looks like slime.
No way does it look like
It
slime.
looks like cookie dough.
We'll take this thing.
And put it in the refrigerator. Let's see how heavy it is. It's not that heavy.
Not at all, right? About 2 pounds, probably. Alright, let's throw it in the fridge.
Okay. Bye guys.
Guys, we're back. We got our dough ready. It's sitting in the fridge for about an hour or two. And now we're back to roll it out.
Okay, put some flour on the table.
Get your hand in there and spread some out. All over the place. There you go.
I cannot wait to get my hands dirty.
Yeah.
Spit it out.
Not too much. Let's get it all over. Cool. Here's the dough. Here we go. Let's put the dough out. And we'll get it right on there. Of course, your best technique is to throw a little powder on the roller. A little powder on the roller. Go crazy. Let's see, do your thing. She always wants to put her hands in before you even do anything. She just loves some slime. Slime is life for these kids these days, huh? Let's see if we can roll this thing out here first.
Ooh, that's good.
Before we get a chance to...
It needs my powder on it.
Alright.
Flour.
A little more flour.
Needs my flour on the dough.
Alright. Ooh.
Good.
Ooh.
Put some flour on the dough.
Alright. Smoothing this thing out. You want to get it about a 1/4 inch?
Yeah, a 1/4 inch. That's fine.
Ooh.
Or you could even get it as much thick as you want. Or as thin as you want.
Indeed. Let's make a little more on top. Alright.
Can I try rolling it?
I like to roll it.
I just like to roll it. Can I try rolling?
Hey, what cookie cutters do we have?
We have Christmas ones in a house.
Ooh, let's see.
Ooh, okay, let me rub my hands on here. Rub all that powder on. Sprinkle that powder on. I'm getting some powder from the table.
Cookie cutters, please. We don't need all that powder.
Good.
Easy. Alright, cookie cutter time.
Okay, here's our cookie cutter.
Regular folk doing this thing.
Let's see, let me find some. A Christmas tree. Can I try rolling?
Alright. Not too hard. This isn't a strongman contest. Roll it really light. Really light. All you're doing is rolling over it. That's it. Not a strongman contest. By any means. Alright, good. Cool. Let's go.
I'm doing it.
One at a time. Let's cut it out and then take it out of there. Can I have some?